Think Chrome is safe? Think again, because Google's popular browser could be putting your private data at risk across all your devices. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Sure, Google Chrome's sync feature is convenient. It lets you access bookmarks, open tabs, search history, passwords, payment info, and saved addresses on any device logged into your account. But that convenience comes with a serious downside. If even one device is hacked, every other sync device becomes vulnerable too. Your private searches, passwords, and personal info could be exposed, leaving you open to identity theft, phishing, and targeted ads everywhere you go online. Even worse, Chrome doesn't stop at storing your data. Google shares it with third parties, meaning searches on your phone could influence ads popping up on your laptop or tablet. And yes, even incognito mode isn't truly private. Over the years, Google has faced legal scrutiny for these privacy concerns, and experts warn the risk is real. There are ways to protect yourself. First, turn off Chrome Sync by clicking your profile in the top right, select Sync is on and choose Turn Off. For extra safety, delete previously synced data at chrome.google.com/sync. Or better, consider ditching Chrome entirely. Apple recommends iPhone users to go for browsers that prioritize privacy, like DuckDuckGo, which blocks trackers, doesn't collect your searches, and offers secure password and data protection. Switching to a privacy-focused browser could save you from headaches, targeted ads, and potential hacks across all your devices. Convenient? Sure. Safe? Not so much. If privacy matters to you, it might be time to break up with Chrome before it breaks your security. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.